Hello beautiful, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you all so much for stopping by to watch my video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you're welcome. My name is Rose, the mommy lifestyle vlogger based in Italy. On this channel we share a lot of videos that you like. Please don't make today your last. Ensure to subscribe, and when you subscribe, make sure to turn the notification bell so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And to my 20 subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, I'm back again today with another video. As you all can see, today we are about to prepare moi moi, Nigeria moi moi. So first of all, I soak my beans because they say if you don't soak beans, it will not be easy for you to peel it. So I soak the beans for like 4 hours, and then I use my blender to blend because there is one video I watched. I think I watched that video last year where a lady was saying that if you want to peel your beans very easy, you got to soak it for some hours and then put it inside your blender, just like you are blending, but don't just on the blender, you blend it over like for a second, then you off it. So today I want to try it. So guys, let's try it and let's see how this whole thing goes, because like this now, I don't know, I've not done this thing before. So today I'll be seeing how it works. So I'm about to on my blender. After owning my blender, then I'll try it. Let's see if it will work. You see, as you can see, I just on it for some second, I off it, on it for some second, you off it, not just on it, because it will blend everything and you wouldn't like that. So at this point, I'm already seeing some changes. So I said, okay, this thing is working. Let's see. I add a little bit of water because I noticed that the water was not enough. So I add a little bit of water so that there will be space for the beans to. So that's how I was doing it. So I was seeing some changes. I was seeing that my beans was really peeling inside this blender, like no stress. I just that was how I continue doing it, like on the blender for some second and then leave it. And at the end of the day, look at what we got. So guys, at this point, I've already finished washing my beans. Like, this blender method is very, very easy and simple. My God, if you're that kind of person that was using your hand to wash your beans before or to peel your beans, please try this blender method. You'll be amazed. So at this point, I'm adding some onion, some garlic, and then some tatashi pepper together with my beans. I'll be blending everything together. So this is my fish that I'll be using for the moi moi. I mean, there is no Nigerian moi moi without fish now. I don't know about you, but me, I always like to put fish in my moi moi. So I've already washed this fish off camera. I'll be steaming it now with some seasoning cube, garlic, um pepper and onion. So I'll be blending it because I don't want to see any kind of um onions that I did not like. I don't want to see all those kind things. So I like blending everything. So I'll blend everything now and then I'll use it to steam it, to steam the fish. And later I will use that the same water for the moi moi. So keep watching guys. Please, if you're watching to this point and you've not yet give this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please now like this video so that you too can suggest this video to other people, okay? And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Bikono, please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, help me to smash that button that says subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to on your notification bell so that if I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I'm adding some spices to my fish. This is pepper. They call it pepperoncino here. Italian called pepperoncino. It's hot pepper with mixed together with garlic, dry garlic and dry pepper. So after adding that one, I'll add some thyme, and then I'll go ahead and add some curry, and then I'll add a little bit of salt and my seasoning cube. So basically that is what I'm doing here. Please, please, please don't forget to give you a thumbs up. Please, I'm still begging, please, because some of you, I'm just seeing you with one eye. Oh, not as if I'm not seeing you guys. You just come, you enjoy yourself, you feed your eyes, and then at the end of the day, you will not even give my video a thumbs up. You will not even subscribe. It's not good though. You people should be fearing God though. It's not good. I beg, na beg I dey beg. Okay, try to give all my videos a thumbs up. If anytime you come across my video, please always like the video. You, by liking the video, YouTube will suggest my video to other channel. Okay, but if you don't like it, YouTube will not even, they will be like, people don't even like this video, so maybe what she's doing they don't like. So how can we suggest video that people don't like to other people? So guys, at this point, I've already steamed my fish, and I debone it because of my kids off camera, because I don't want to stress you guys. Okay, so I debone the fish. Now I'll be adding it to the moi moi. As you can also see, I've already blend this moi moi off camera. I'll be adding the fish now. Add some olive oil, but if you don't have olive oil, you can add your normal oil, your vegetable oil. So after adding the oil, I will go ahead and add a little bit of salt, just little bit, because like I said, I use the water I used to steam the fish. I pour inside this moi moi, mix everything together. So because I've added salt to that sauce before, I will not be adding too much salt. So I'll just add a little bit of salt. Look at the mixed fish stock. So I'll add it now inside. Okay, and then test it. If you still need a little bit of seasoning cube, I will now add a little bit. Make sure you test it. Don't be afraid. The beast no go, e no go kpai you. Test it to see if your ingredients are okay, because at the end of the day, if salt no reach, if maggi no reach, your beans, your moi moi, e no go sweet. So test am. So because this my bowl was very small and I was using that spoon, my beans wan come dey pour throway. Na I say no, I con go carry dis wetin dem dey call am, is it whistler or whistler, I don't know. So I use it to turn everything together. So after turning it together, as the local girl wey dey inside my body, e no let me see road. Una see am say I don pack all my konko come outside, just as the way we used to do it that year in the village. No be say dem no get can for supermarket wey dem take dey do moi moi, but I say no, the way dem take dey do am for village that year, na so I go still take do my own. So you see all dis konko, e get their separate place, their special place for my kitchen wey I dey keep dem. Anytime I wan do moi moi, I go go pack dem come outside. So I will add everything inside now. After adding my moi moi inside dis konko, if you know, you know. After adding it now, I'll come put am inside my pot. First of all, I'll add small water inside my pot oh, because I no wan hear say maybe if I come dey put my konko inside now, maybe the water go come dey enter inside my beans or inside my moi moi. I don't want that. So I'll add some water inside the pot first. Normally, I'm supposed to leave the water to boil out before I'll be adding this, before I will put this can inside, but I did not allow it because baby was disturbing. As you saw the first clip, this boy was already on my back, because this boy don't he cannot stay without my back. Every time he's always on my back. Okay, to the point my husband say, "Na your super glue. Anywhere una dey go, anywhere you dey go, una two dey glue together." So guys, I boiled some egg off camera, because I mean, what is moi moi without egg too? So I boiled some egg. So because we don't eat too much egg in this house, I just cut the egg into two, put half for one, because this time even though we no dey chop too much egg for this house, Dem no we no dey dis time no be time wey say the person dey even dey waste money dey buy things. You gats to manage, okay? So I cut my egg into two, add half for the coin inside my moi. So like dis now, I will put my pot in the fire and then allow it to cook for like 45 minutes. Allow your moi to cook oh, because if your moi no cook well, if e no done well, you bring it, you carry am down, by the time you finish eating your moi, you will be running to the toilet like say dey open well for inside your bum abi inside your nyash. So allow your moi to cook well, okay? Allow it to cook for like 45, even in 1 hour sef, allow am to cook. Suffer make e cook before make e done. E better say e done than say e no done. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. I hope you are really learning something from this video. So at this point, my mama is cooked because I know video when I dey cook am give una, but my moi don done like this. So my husband say na akamu, na custard dey wan take follow up with this moi oh. So here is my moi and my custard. I hope you enjoy this video. What are you going to be eating with your moi? Is it bread? Is it custard? Is it akamu? Which one? Please drop your comment down below, okay? And don't forget to give you a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me by subscribing. At this point, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.